Hi, so today's session is very much about sharing the key components of our customer success strategy that has been designed for you to promote and drive a successful ongoing partnership.
So you'll have heard that accessplanit is software as a service, and you know what the software is. This session is to take you through what is included for you as the service. Fundamentally, that service is there to continually enable you to maximize on your platform's full potential.
Thanks, Jenna. So today, what myself and Jenna are going to cover is our customer success strategy and what it means for you, how we support you to optimize and maximize your platform's full potential, and thirdly, our customer education strategy and getting more of what's available to all of the people that need to have access to it. So what is customer success and what does it mean to you? So customer success is a SaaS industry buzz phrase for an emerging function that began around 2010. Customer success are two meaningful words to articulate how SaaS businesses like accessplanit describe the way that we serve you and strive to serve you.
Absolutely. So at accessplanit, customer success is not only a vital function, but it's also a strategic priority that really drives value throughout your entire journey with accessplanit, really by focusing on empowering you to achieve your personal and organizational objectives. We really see customer success as that glue that brings together industry knowledge, your feedback, and how happy you are with our product and service, just to make sure that we're all on the same page with what you want and need.
Totally. So today, myself and Jenna really want to emphasize on the important distinction between customer support and customer success. So customer support is about solving issues as they arise and in the moment, while customer success is more about checking in regularly to review and evaluate your goals and return on investment, whilst also building and fostering really healthy relationships and getting ahead of your needs and questions. To us, both play a pivotal role in supporting your continuous adoption of the software.
Definitely, yeah. So it's not often that we get the opportunity to share our customer success strategy with you. So today we're going to take full advantage of that. And hopefully by the end of today's webinar, you'll have at least one key takeaway that you can implement straight away with your customer success manager.
So it's very likely today you have probably seen this model before. Today I'm going to be taking you through the proven process. So the proven process, what is it? Our customer success model starts with the proven process. This is a process in accessplanit that covers our customer journey and the repeatable processes that we work through to deliver you our products and services consistently. The accessplanit proven process covers your journey from initial introduction and launch all the way through to optimize. Our team of experts all play a vital role in guiding you through every step of your journey to achieve the results that you want. And the people and the teams do change throughout that journey, which is why we have core processes and checklists internally that really underpin this proven process that support us in supporting you deliver the service and consistently deliver you value no matter where you are in that process. The part of the proven process today's webinar will focus in on is adopt and optimize. This is the stage of the customer journey we categorize most of our customers in. And those who aren't in this stage are working towards that. So typically in Optimize, you have implemented and achieved initial adoption of the platform in your business. And now you're on a journey to continually expand your knowledge and your usage of the platform to achieve the desired results.
Absolutely. So in this section, we're going to go into a little bit of more detail about that, and you'll probably go into some information that you're already aware of, but there should be some sprinkle of insights into the progress that we're making in those areas. It's always beneficial to recap on what's available to you anyway, so that you can then benchmark where you think you and your business are in terms of getting required value from each of these arms. So let's get into it. So optimizing with you at accessplanit is made up of three key components. There is the customer-centric support, the customer education strategy, and then the customer success and partnership. And all three of these are all about helping you to maximize your platform's full potential. So kicking off with the customer-centric support, Our support team is in place to support you with those everyday platform queries that Aimee mentioned earlier. So whether that's over the phone or it's through our portal, our team are there to help. They're there to support all of those approved super and training administrators getting that exclusive access to the support team. And we're really proud that for 97% of our tickets, we hit a 2-hour first response rate target. We also really pride ourselves on our educate first approach to enable you to become the experts of your own platform. We're investing further in our support team this year and bringing in a new phone system, and that really supports that educate first approach. The system's a lot more modern. It's got a lot of customer experience enhancements to it. One of the main things, though, it's going to bring a lot of internal efficiencies to us, which will result in a lot speedier, more personalized responses, because we really understand that resolving things as quickly as possible is important. We are seeing in the TMS market that phone service is something that a lot of companies are stripping back or even discontinuing completely. So we very much see you being able to call our team a differentiator.
So I'm going to focus in on customer success and partnership. So your optimized customer success manager's purpose is to get to know your sector and the industry so that their expertise expands beyond the platform to provide you with valuable best practices, insights, and suggestions. They work with over 100 different training providers. So we aim to continually evaluate, educate, and work together with you to help you get the most out of the platform. Looking for those wow moments. Your optimized customer success manager can connect with you as little or as often as you need, depending on your adoption progress. They can help collaborate on processes, share knowledge on best practices, and unlock features to help you unlock new efficiencies. Within the customer success manager role, we also consistently strive to execute a forward-thinking and healthy approach to the commercial side of the relationship, because we do see this as being as important by having proactive renewal conversations. Your commercial customer success manager can connect with you at minimum annually or as frequently as quarterly, with specifically contract owners to really support your ongoing knowledge and awareness of your business direction so that we can keep a pulse on your upcoming changes within your business, whether that's strategic or operational, so that we can support the best commercial decisions for the greater good of the partnership. In August 2023, we made some changes within our customer success function after identifying through customer feedback that we could be better at general contract management, specifically renewals, as well as further enhancing our proactive optimization support. So whilst our customer success managers are skilled and trained in everything, the change that we made was to split out the commercial queries from platform optimization support. So each of our customers now get 2 customer success managers, one that specifically is dedicated to look after the commercial aspects of the relationship, and one that is dedicated to support your optimization to really drive maximum platform potential.
Absolutely. So on top of that customer-centric support and the customer success and partnership, we're very proud to offer some other mechanisms to connect as well. So on the product front, as we're continually developing and improving your platform, we really encourage collaboration of that development of new features with you. So that's through 2 routes, so our product feedback sessions and also surveys like our NPS survey. So just on those product feedback sessions, our product team get a lot of value out of collaborating with customers during both the assessment, but also the design of new features. And I know they're always on the lookout for new members to join those sessions, which are known as the Loop Club. So if you're interested in becoming a Loop Club member, please let your customer success manager know, and they will connect you with the product team.
Definitely. We need more members, so please sign up. So lastly, honing in on the customer education strategy, we have a customer education strategy that provides you and your teams with educational resources using a variety of different methods, such as webinars like this one today, documented knowledge, also known as the help guide, on-demand demos, training sessions, but also through our blogs and events like Connect, the one that we held in March. So we also see the future very much moving towards an in-app help. So in 2024, we have invested in our customer education strategy, and we've introduced a dedicated role to deliver against this strategy. We've actually now moved over Jenna from our product team here at accessplanit into a new customer education role.
Thanks, Aimee. So last but by no means least, just to finish off that support that we offer when it comes to adopt and optimize, we understand that if you need to onboard new departments, a new training provider, a bunch of learners, new courses, the change management that can come with these projects can be, very time consuming at best, and often they can be quite painful at worst. So to support those, we provide professional services alongside all that support that we've already discussed. So professional services run for anything from quite big things like delivering a bespoke consultative session with you, covering that business change. Aimee mentioned that our CSMs work with over 100 different training providers. So using that industry insight, we can really support you with that, with a consultation session, right through to something quite a bit smaller, completing configuration or setup activities. We can create reports, workflows, whatever it might be within the platform to free you up to focus on other priorities. So if you think you could benefit from any consultancy, professional services, please catch up with your customer success manager and they'll be able to work that out with you.
Brilliant. So we truly believe that adoption never stops, whether that's supporting you to unlock the knowledge of features that you haven't used before, or you're going through a transformational change and need to introduce additional departments, a new set of courses, possibly a new training provider, or simply because your team has changed and there is now a need to upskill some new starters. Listening to the feedback you've provided us through our NPS survey, we're putting a bigger emphasis on supporting all users at all stages of their accessplanit journey, not just the admins that we get to talk to through our support team or our customer success team. We want to grow their knowledge and make sure that they have the access to the information to use the features that are available to them, and increase their usage so that they get more value out of the platform. So you might have seen at the end of January, we put out a training survey through our NPS tool to hear your thoughts on how we're delivering our current offering, and to further understand what content you would like to see more of. I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you to everybody that participated in that research. It's been truly valuable, and the feedback has actually helped us shape our priorities for 2024. Today's a really good opportunity for us to share some of the insights into the plans that we have for customer education in 2024, and Jenna's going to take you through that now.
Thanks, Aimee. Yeah, so based on your feedback, these are the top 3 priorities for us for this year. So the first one is expanding educational reach. And this is all about making sure that our educational content is available to all admins, just like what Aimee said there, not just the people that we get to speak to on our CSM calls, through our support desk. Every admin would have access to this. So that's why this year we are introducing the new in-app tool, which allows admins to teach themselves how to use new features. We'll also be using it to flag when new features are available, and we'll be getting a little sneak peek of that shortly on this session. Our second priority is to enhance our free online educational content. So typically this is in the form of webinars. What we're looking to do this year is to provide more short, sharp educational sessions. We're going to double the frequency of the sessions, and we're also looking at expanding out the options that we have available and the formats so that we can provide, a wider opportunity for more people to attend. We really think that our educational events, these are some of the most important parts of Adopt and Optimize. So we want to make sure that these sessions are easily accessible, also relevant to you and your teams. Third priority is going back to what I said in a previous slide. So this is to enhance our professional services offering. So this is tapping into our in-house experts that have got all that knowledge and all that experience to support you with your projects, free you up to focus on your typical day-to-day. So I'll move on into that in-app demo now. So let's have a quick run through of the features that we will see in here. First up is something that's called resource centers, and this is specialized help available from dedicated areas of the platform. So from the courses page, you'll have access to course help, which includes how-to guides. These are step-by-step guides you'll be able to click through to, but also any additional educational content such as blogs that we think could be useful are going to be available from here. So these resource centers are going to be available from the most commonly used areas of the platform, like courses and delegates, but also the more complex areas too, like document templates we see here, but also workflows. So if you had a brand new admin, they don't know what document templates are, there's an explainer at the top, and then the usual how-to guides are available. Next, I'll just show you some hotspots. So hotspots are used to provide a little bit of extra information about features, but also to flag new features. So take, for example, here, this is the user management page. We have a little hotspot at the top here, which just gives you a little bit more information about what the user management page is all about. And then right at the top of the page, we've got some information about some new events and how to book them. So these are those free webinars we were talking about before. Final thing is the guides, and the guides are what are how people can self-teach themselves how to use different features. So this is just a quick step-by-step guide on how to use data grids. Each person can go through it at their own pace. They can choose to close it when they'd like. It's really down to them. We see this being really valuable for new administrators to get to grips with the core areas of the platform, but we'll also be using it on the more complex features too for super admins and really well-established admins too. So very excited to start rolling this out to everybody.
Definitely, we're very excited about it, and we hope you are too. So we are shortly coming to the end of the session today, and before we leave you, we do want to ask you to have some self-reflective time and provoke your thinking around how you and your teams are currently utilising and engaging with the different resources, events and service roles that we have available for your success. So please reach out to us at customersuccess@accessplanit.com if you would like to explore any more of the topics in any more detail. And one of the team will be happy to take you through that. So that leaves me with really just saying thank you so much for your time. Thanks for sitting through today's webinar. And as mentioned at the start, we really do hope that you've got at least one takeaway that you can implement with your AccessPlanit Customer Success Manager following today's content.